Hello students, Subtraction. Okay, so this is our last class on rational number. This is class number 6. So what we are going to cover today, just I will show you how to make addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers. So it is more or less same like addition, subtraction of fraction, right? So it's not nothing new, but still I'm just covering a section here, right? So you need to remember two things while doing addition and subtraction. Always every time for making addition and subtraction, you need to make common denominator. Okay, what are the three things you need to remember while doing addition or subtraction of rational number, both for addition and subtraction? Step number 1, if denominators are equal, just add or subtract. Okay, let's say 3/7 plus 2/7 minus 4/7. As per rule of simplification, first doing the addition. Okay, so all three cases denominators are same, so you don't need to do anything. 7, then 3 plus 2 minus 4, 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 4 1, that means 1/7. So both addition and subtraction I have covered in this example. So if the denominators are equal, just add or subtract. You don't need to do anything else with the denominator part, right? Only that the existing denominator will be the common denominator. Fine. Then coming to second example, let's say if denominators are not equal, but the highest denominator is the multiple of all other denominators, then the highest, mark in the red part, highest one will be the common denominator. Let's say 2/3 plus 5/6 minus 1/12. 3, 6, 12, three denominators. Which one is the highest denominator? If denominators are not equal, but the highest denominator is the multiple of all other denominators. So highest denominator is 12. It is multiple of 3, 3 4s are 12. It is also multiple of 6, 6 12 2s are 12. So in that case, the highest one will be the common denominator. You need to actually find out the common denominator. Then the task is easy. Done, almost done. So it is 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 divided by 3, 4. 4 into 2. 2 into 4 plus 5 into 12/6 is 2. 5 into 2 minus 12/2, 12, 1, 1. So what will be the result? 8 plus 5 2s are 10 minus 1/12. So what is this? 18 minus 1, 17/12. You can make it like this also, that 12 ones are 12, 5, so equals to 1, 5/12. Rule number 2, done. Now if the denominators are not equal, but at the same time the highest denominator is also not the multiple of all other denominators, it has to be multiple of all other denominators. Let's say 7/9 plus 4/6 minus 5/18, sorry, 5/12. Okay, so 12 is the highest denominator. It is multiple of 6, but it is not multiple of 9. So to find out the common denominator, what you need to do? You need to make the LCM. So what is the LCM? 9, 6 and 12. You find out the LCM. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Then, so what is the LCM? LCM equals to 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. LCM equals to 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Now the common denominator will be 36. Common denominator will be 36. So 9 4s are 36, 4 7s are 28. 7 into 4 plus 6 6 are 36, 4 into 6, 4 into 6 minus 12 3s are 36, 5 into 3 15. That means 28 plus 24 minus 15 by 36. 28 plus 24, it is 52. 52 minus 15 by 36 equals to 52 minus 15 means 37. 37 by 36. Done. So these three simple steps. Check the denominator. If for multiplication you need to remember this thing. Same sign multiplication always returns positive number. But combination of positive and negative sign returns negative sign. So let's say 3 by 4 into 2 by 7, it is 6. Numerator, you need to multiply all the numerators. Let's say even another number I am giving 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into 3 by 4 into 2 by 7 equals to, you need to multiply all the numerators. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, and in the denominator part also same, 2 4s are 8, 8 7s are 56. But always you need to make the standard form. That means you need to make the result as such, both for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, always you try to make the standard form, both for fraction and rational number, right? Standard form means you will not have any common divisor of numerator and denominator other than 1. That means you need to divide by HCF. So what is the HCF? 30 and 56. It is 2, 15 and 28. So 2 is the HCF. HCF equals to 2. That means 30 by 2, 15, 56 by 2, 28. Okay. So it is plus plus plus. Let's say there are two numbers, 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 3, minus 7 by 2. So what will be the result? 3 by 5, it is plus, here it is minus. So the sign will be minus. 3, rest is same. 3 7s are 21 and 5 2s are 10. Let's say there are three different numbers. 2 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 into minus 1 by 5. So what will be the sign of the multiplication result? Minus into minus plus, same sign, and plus into minus, again minus, minus minus plus, plus into minus minus, chain effect. Okay, so the sign will be minus, then rest is same. 2 3s are 6 into 1 6, 5 7s are 35 into 5 175. Got it? So for multiplication you need to remember the sign part. Rest is very simple. Same rule for division also. Let's say, but first you understand the division part. let's say 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 7. What does it mean? How you will do it? When you are changing the sign, you can write it down. 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 7 means 2 by 5 into reciprocal of 3 by 7. Reciprocal. So 2 by 5 into 7 by 3. That means 14 by 15. For division, you need to remember, you need to make the reciprocal by what you are dividing when you are doing the multiplication, right? So let's say another division, 3 by 7 divided by 9 by 2. That means 3 by 7 into 2 by 9. But if the sign is, let's say here it is minus, here it is also minus. So minus 3, and here also it is minus. So minus into minus cancel, that is plus. That means 3 3s are 9. So 2 by 21. Minus into, because you are doing minus into 2 by minus 9 means what is it? Minus 3 by 7 into 2 by minus 9, right? 2 by minus 9 means minus 2 by 9. Okay, so minus into minus plus, then you make the standard form 2 by 21. If it is 1 is plus, 1 is minus, then the sign will be minus. Plus into minus, minus. Right? Okay. So this is how the division it is also. It is very simple. So mainly addition and subtraction, like fraction you need to do, and division there will be a lot of different kind of question or multiplication or division or addition or subtraction property also. You know what is multiplicative inverse, right? Multiplicative inverse means it is the reciprocal actually. So if you are asked to multiply with additive inverse, what is additive inverse? Additive inverse means minus of that reciprocal, minus of that rational numbers. Let's say you are being asked to multiply 3 by 5 with its additive inverse. It will not ask you, it will state the question like this: multiply 3 by 5 with its additive inverse. Additive inverse of 3 by 5 means minus 3 by 5. So you need to multiply 3 by 5 into minus 3 by 5. That means plus into minus, minus 9 by 25. Okay. So this is the last class. If it is possible, I will try to make one video covering example for all the topics up to this class 6 for rational number. Either 1 or 2 videos I will try to make it. But I hope you have understood whatever I have covered in all the classes of rational number. If you like this video, also click on like button. And if you want to have this kind of video again and again for different chapters, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.